So my customer's about to come in and check out her beautiful Genesis. She went with our new car double protection package, paint protection film on the high impact areas, ceramic coating on the rest. Let's check it out, my dear.
Oh, look.
Is she pretty?
Oh my goodness.
Well
Yes.
protected. So check out your installation of your paint protection film.
So,
It is.
oh my gosh. You guys did a really good job.
Thank you.
So nice. So you gotta tell me all about.
Okay, I'm going to tell you how easy it's going to be for you to keep this clean. No more waxing for the duration that you selected.
This is nice.
And then on the front end, you went with a very good choice. The paint protection film is going to last for 10 years. Now you don't have to worry about getting those horrible rock chips all over the front end, the bug guts that can stay in the vehicle.
It comes off.
You're well protected. Yay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nice.
Awesome. Thank you for choosing DoubleTake Auto Spa.
You're welcome.
Awesome.